Welcome to the Hugo Build Time news, all the news that fits into a Hugo build, brought to you by CloudCannon. And now, at human speed. Since my last video, we've reached version 0.142.0 of Hugo. If you've been otherwise occupied since 0.139.0, you may have missed JS Batch, which enables JS bundle groups, along with global code splitting and a flexible hooks runners setup. We also now have a new images.mask image filter, a new images.qr function, and a new alignX option to control horizontal alignment in images.txt, along with a range of security and bug fixes. Today I learned Navendu Potikart has used Hugo to create a middle ground between posts and daily logs on his website to capture what he calls the little revelations that might otherwise go unrecorded. Blue Sky is on the rise, so if you're using it, here's how to integrate a dynamic comment section into your Hugo website based on Blue Sky posts. This solution from Basilic is built with JavaScript and supports real-time comment updates. Here's a lightweight Hugo module that adds beautiful and customizable admonition blocks to your content from Liu Jinji with improvements from Joe Mooring. Thanks to Chris Ferdinandi, I've learned how to schedule content snippets like time-limited messages to only display on a Hugo website between certain dates. Thomas Jensen shares a series.html partial, which lets your readers navigate easily through posts in a series and orient themselves within the series. Thanks, Thomas, and thanks too to Hugo's taxonomy navigation. Moving on to themes, I'm impressed with Shankar Muralitharan's Monologue, a theme that hinges on the creative constraints of a monospace font and grid alignment. Shankar was inspired by Oscar Wikström's design challenge, The Monospace Web, which you should also check out. It makes for a great read. If monospace isn't your thing, Francesco Tomaselli's Typo is a Hugo theme backed by simplicity. Its goal is to have a website centered around content and nothing more. Finally, Roadster is a maintained and enhanced fork of the Main Road theme by Mansour Bari. This project aims to modernize the original theme while incorporating valuable community contributions and adding new features. Showcase time, and it's always a good time to celebrate free and open source software, as well as the people who use it. Kochi Foss is a freewheeling community of developers and open source enthusiasts who gather in person for meetups in Kochi, India, and it's a great Hugo site as well. If you're looking for a Hugo CMS, check out CloudCannon. With a headless mode, full version control via Git, and support for Hugo shortcodes, teams can build new pages and edit them visually with live preview URLs. That's all for today. Please get in touch if you've got a Hugo tutorial, a tip, or a new site to show off. Thanks.